Hi, my name is Chris from Automotive Service and Repair in Kings Langley. I wanted to talk to you today a little bit about MOTs. As we all know, MOTs have been extended by the government recently for a period of 6 months from the 30th of March through to the 1st of August. Now, traditionally, we know there are two busy times of year for MOTs. That is February and March because of the new number plate that came in on the 1st of March, and also August and September because we have another new number plate that comes in. So every car on the road that's 3 years old from those 2 dates needs MOTs. That makes it really, really busy in August and September. Given that all those MOTs from March onwards are going to be delayed, it's going to be next to impossible to get an MOT slot towards the end of this year, September time. So we'd recommend to all of our customers that you get your MOTs done early, and if you can't get them done early, at least make yourself a reservation, make yourself a booking so that you've got an MOT slot, because it's going to be really difficult. In addition to that, we need to make everybody aware that the government has instructed customers to be responsible for keeping their cars roadworthy throughout. Given that 25% of MOTs fail, there's cars driving around now that could have bald tyres, bad brakes, lights not working, so on and so forth. So therefore, even if you do decide to get your MOT extended, we'd still recommend that you book it in, get it checked, and make sure your car is roadworthy, because the last thing you need is to be pulled over and get 3 points on your licence for a bald tyre. At Automotive, we're now back to full strength. All of our staff have come off a furlough, and today's the first day that we've got a full complement of staff. So we're well placed to be able to react to any increased bookings for services or MOTs. So feel free to give us a call on 01923 261 222 or pop onto our website www.amotive.co.uk. We look forward to seeing you soon.